Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabir from CodeRevolution. So let me show you one little tool that I have here on my YouTube channel, which helps me upload videos faster and more productively, and also allows me to get more views and clicks from users and visitors on YouTube. So this tool is TubeBuddy. I have a little Chrome extension here, and I also have a premium subscription for TubeBuddy. If you are interested in TubeBuddy and if you want to know more details about it, I will leave a link in this video's description. Go ahead and check it. So let me show you how this little helper of mine is allowing me to upload videos to YouTube more efficiently, faster, and more with more views from the viewers part. So first of all, I am uploading here a new video that I created, which promotes one of my plugins, the Echo RSS plugin, and promotes its compatibility with WPML, which is a multi-language plugin. So I will show in this video only the parts of the content that can be edited using WPML and how this little helper of mine improves my work. So first of all, here on the title part, we will have this little emoticon icon added by WPML, and if we click it, we will be able to automatically select some emoticons, and these will be added to the title of the video. So this is a really cool feature which YouTube does not have by default, and the TubeBuddy little tool adds it. Also, if we go to the thumbnail here, TubeBuddy will allow us to create a thumbnail. So if we click here the create thumbnail, we will be able to select a still frame from the video and use it as the thumbnail, or a background image, or there will be some background default images that TubeBuddy will provide us. So let's select this background image, for example, hit continue. We will be able to add our text here. So if we write Echo RSS plugin WPML compatibility, and change the text color to black and add layer, so we can see that it is a big. So now we can resize it and move it around directly here on the image. So this is it. It is looking real good, and if we resize it, we will be able to see results. Okay, so we generated here really quickly a featured image or a thumbnail for our videos, and if we click continue and save and publish, the TubeBuddy little helper extension will create this thumbnail for our video. We will be able to download it and use it in our videos. So after we downloaded the image, we will be able to add it here in the video thumbnail. Also, if we scroll down, the TubeBuddy extension is really helpful for video tags. So let me show you how fast will TubeBuddy allow you to add your tags to the videos, because if you uploaded videos to YouTube, you know that adding the tags is really hard work, because you can add a maximum of 500 characters of tags, and they are a lot of tags fitting in this 500 character limit. And if you wish to maximize the views that you get from YouTube, you need to add relevant text to your videos. So let's write here WPML, and as you will see, TubeBuddy will suggest us some tags that we can simply click, and they will be added to the tags of our video. So select the language, the WPML tags which are relevant to your video, or other keywords that you add. So if you write here echo RSS, you will see that my plugin name also appears here in the list. Also, other tags can be added manually which are shorter. So WPML compatible, WPML compatibility, WPML translator, and so on. So this is how you will be able to add tags really fast. And if you scroll down here, you will see that TubeBuddy actually generates a list of suggestions for you, and see, you can simply click these suggestions and add the tag to the tag list here. So let's write some more tags here until we fill the 500 character limit. And we are almost there, and WordPress and WP, and we are done because our character limit is almost done. So as you can see, the tags were added lightning fast using TubeBuddy, and this is really helping me a lot while uploading my daily videos to YouTube, because if I would use manual entering of these tags, it would take a lot longer than like now using TubeBuddy. So let's set also a date and a location, which is CodeRevolution's headquarters, and we can hit next. So monetization is on. Let's submit a rating for this video. Hit next. And also TubeBuddy is helping when adding end screens and add cards to the video. So if we click this apply template button, we will be able to save and reuse templates of cards that we will be able to add to the video. So this is a card template which is has this title, call to action, link, and teaser, and apply. And TubeBuddy will simply apply this card to our video, and we are not needing to add any cards to the video. Same for the end screens. So end screens will be able to also import it. So apply end screens and you are good to go. If you uploaded videos, you know that applying cards and end screens is pretty time consuming, and as you saw, I simply clicked a few buttons and my video is ready to be uploaded. So yeah, this is how TubeBuddy is helping me upload videos to YouTube much faster. If you want to know details, I will link TubeBuddy in this video's description. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. If you want to get more similar videos, subscribe to this channel. I am uploading videos here frequently. Have a nice day. Bye bye.